super good with it. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, man. I got the little shock drop on the playoff 13, so I'm gonna unbox those and give y'all some close-up shots of them and all that good kind of stuff. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, join the squad. Now let's get into it. I actually have been waiting on these, I'll probably say maybe like 4 years now. I've been really waiting on these to come back out. When they released them early, I was like, let me see if I can get that. And I got that. So this is a long time coming, but I really enjoy 13s. I think it's the most comfortable Air Jordan out there. So I like to buy them when I find a color that I like that stands out to me. But
and we see different, so I can't waste my time trying to show nobody that I'm not who I used to be. Forget the past, you gotta get back used to me. Killed all of my old ways this evening, I'm reading myself.
Ooh, them thing crispy, clean, smooth. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, these, y'all, they look good, man. I ain't gonna lie. They look good. Like the pictures look good and everything, but when y'all get them in hand, bro. I guess it's just me because I guess I like 13s, and then like the playoff 13s probably I'll play say top 3, maybe 2, maybe even 1. 13s in my opinion. It's just like it's almost a perfect shoe. This is like the only one with the white pods that I really enjoy, because the white pods get like the oxidation crazy on them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the oxidation get kind of crazy on the ones with the white pods. So I actually try not to buy them, but these right here, these the ones, man. So had to cop these. I'm very satisfied with my purchase. The suede on here is pretty, you know, standard 13 suede. It ain't nothing crazy, but it's not the worst. The leather is decent. It's like standard 13 leather. It's nothing crazy, nothing unexpected, no pleasant surprises or nothing like that. It's a standard 13 type of quality. Yeah, standard 13 quality, man. The inside, I ain't gonna lie, the inside leather is kinda a little tough, but you know what do we expect from Jordan Brand, man? We ain't finna get the softest, plushest leather, you know what I'm saying? Even if this leather, you know what I'm saying? But overall, I'm good with it, man. The only thing I ain't good with is that $210 price. They keep creeping up on us, man. Every time an OG drop, they want to throw some $210 on there, bro. You already got them at $200. Come on, fam. I'm scared. But I guess you gotta pay to play, man. But I guess that's the end. I will be doing other videos on these. I will be doing a how to style video, and then I'm gonna do another video that I don't want to say because I don't want nobody to steal my idea potentially. You know what I'm saying? But it's been your dog, Dad. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join the squad. You hear me? And I'm out of here. You know.